Come with me, I want to show you how to measure radiator which is electric controlled. If it's fault, like this one, it's making a lot of noise. So much noise. And as you can see, I got two main wires here. This is live and this one is earth and power. So in such cases where you hear your fan just running through it, making noise, a big noise. Now what to measure here is just these contacts here where the connector enters. Now you can see the two terminals for earth and power. So these two ones, they should not be into contact unless you feed this connector, this one here. Once you feed, that's when you can measure and have that continuity. But if we find continuity when there is no power in these contacts, then we know that our fan has problem inside. It has a short circuit. Like for example, let me try if I can do it by myself. That's terminal 1 and terminal 2 is here. As you can see, guys, this is it. Now here you can hear that it got continuity. You can see that means the radiator fan needs to be replaced because it has short circuit. It's making the fan to make a lot of noise. Thank you.